Welcome to Level All. My name is Julia, a former educator and current member of the Level All Success team, and I'm here to give you a quick tour around the platform. But before we get started, I want to point out that what you, as an educator, see on Level All is identical to what your students see on Level All, except for a few key features like our Educator Hub and our dashboard, but we'll get to those in a bit. We'll begin on the home page, which starts with For You This Week. This is where we'll alert you and your students to the things that matter now. It could be reminders for upcoming deadlines, or it may be breaking news for opportunities like internships, scholarships, and a whole lot more. Below that, we have Your Journeys. They take goals like applying to college, launching your career, or managing your finances, and break them down into simple, manageable steps. So let's say a student wants to get an internship. Our Land the Internship That's Right for You journey will take them through every step of the process. Right next to Journeys, we've created some helpful tools for you and your students, including our College Finder that has stats and figures you won't find anywhere else. It will help you and your students sort through colleges and filter what's most important to them. And our Scholarship Finder, where you and your students can explore thousands of scholarship opportunities. Below that, we have Jump Back In to view your recently viewed collections and projects. You won't see anything there on your first visit to the homepage because you haven't jumped in yet. And below that, we've got some recommended content that you can filter by category. It's a great place to explore new things. Speaking of exploring, if you want to check out everything Level All has to offer, you can go to the Discover tab. It's all broken down into categories. We've got the Educator Hub, which only you will see, not your students, high school, college planning, college transition and success, affording college, college alternatives, career skills, careers, financial skills, life skills, and state pathways, where we cover all of the amazing opportunities available to you in your state. And within these categories, we have collections. Let's jump into one. Look good on paper with a professional resume. The first thing you'll see is our overview page, which includes a lesson plan in the lead-off spot. This is an example of something only you will see, not your students. In addition, you'll find articles, videos, and infographics that cover all things resume, from beating advanced tracking systems to creating a resume with little experience. And when it's time for your students to take action and create their own resume from scratch, they'll head over to the project, where we have a step-by-step guide to go from a blank page to a finished resume. And always be sure to check out the Resources tab, where we have templates, checklists, and samples to make it all easier for you and your students. Let's also take a look at the Educator Hub. This is an educator-only feature that stores all lesson plans, presentations, and curricula that we have developed, all available to you at any time. There's also the dashboard, another educator-only feature that allows you to see a full directory of both active and pending students and get a sense of how they're progressing along their goals. And that's our tour. So log on and explore what we have for you. And remember, the Level All Success team is always here to answer your questions and gather your feedback. We value the opinions of educators more than anything, so please don't hesitate to reach out. Welcome to Level All.